All right, so today we're taking a look at this supplement called AKKA, which is basically gonna be Akkermansium, and this has a lot of different use cases. So one of the main use cases here is gonna be for metabolism health and for weight loss. This is gonna help to control your cravings, and it's also gonna work for your gut lining as well. So this is part of the microbiome and is one of the portions of the gut, so it can help to increase your Akkermansium. It can help to protect your gut lining, so if you're having any type of harmful foods or anything like this is gonna help. Now, another popular usage of this is reducing fatty liver as well. If you go and take a look at some of the reviews, there's been a lot of people who have used this, they've gotten their scans, they've used this for a couple of months, and they could see a pretty big decrease in that fatty liver. So if that's something else that you're trying to look for, this is a good supplement for that. Everyone's gonna react different though. So this one right here is gonna be a 2-tablet regimen. So you're gonna be taking 2 of these tablets per day. This is what they look like. They look like a kind of like a bright yellow color to them. They're just a powder and a capsule. Pretty easy to take. But again, you're gonna be taking 2 of these per day. Sometimes people will have little issues with these with their stomach because it is a probiotic. So you wanna be careful and probably start off with just 1 pill at a time. That way you can kind of ease your body into it. You just don't necessarily know how you're gonna react to it. So I would give yourself a little bit of time to acclimate, see how it is, and then work your way up to the 2 capsules per day. This bottle right here is gonna be 60 capsules, so this should be about a 30-day supply. Maybe your first month it'll last a little bit longer because you're just doing like 1 per day and then you're working your way up to the 2 per day. But again, this is a 1-month supply, so you should be able to just take 2 a day and it'll last for a month. And you also don't have to worry because this is gluten-free, soy-free, and dairy-free as well. And it'll also help to support liver detoxification. So many different use cases for this supplement right here. If any of those apply to you and you wanted to try to improve your gut microbiome by trying out this specific type of proactive, I would definitely recommend picking it up and giving it a try.